example students. Example 1. Let's pretend I'm a beginning student learning English in a computer lab classroom. I sit down in front of the computer. My teacher gives an introduction to today's class with an overview of what we're going to practice. Next, I find my level 1, and begin working. I watch the first video.
Learn English.
I click CC to put on captions. I make the video full screen. I get my paper ready to take notes while I'm watching. After I have watched the video all the way through, I try the H5P exercises that test my understanding of the content. I'm very confused by the exercises and am struggling to get a good score. So I go back to the video again and take more notes, pausing when I need to and re-watching as needed. Now I try the exercises again and get them all right, so I'm ready to go on to the next exercises. Meanwhile, my neighbor in the lab goes very quickly through the videos and exercises, understanding the ideas and getting all the answers right super fast. That's okay. We are working at our own pace. Example 2. Let's pretend I'm an intermediate student learning English by using the OER content for self-study on my phone outside of class. In this case, I'm using the OER content directly, not through a learning management system or Google Sites. I'm going directly into the workbook. I'm struggling to understand the difference between the simple present and the present progressive. I could do a Google search for simple present versus present progressive and find millions of videos and websites, or I could use the carefully selected grammar videos and accompanying exercises from this workbook. The way I would do this is I would go to search for my level, intermediate. I go to contents, and here I see grammar, intermediate videos, and exercises. I see it's divided into different categories of grammar. Since I'm interested in the present tense, I would go up here to present tenses and parts of speech. And I have a video about present tenses, so that would include simple present, present progressive, another video about adverbs, and then some chances to practice. When I'm using this combination of the video and the H5P exercises, I know I'm using something that has been approved by my teachers as being high quality, and I know that the exercises are accurate. I also get the instant feedback on my H5P exercises and can ask questions and learn from my mistakes. Guiding example students.